very warm welcome to News in Flash column of 2nd June 2021. It is presented to you by Lawsico. I am Ankita Parida. Now let's proceed with this session. RDSO becomes the first institution to be declared SDO under One Nation, One Standard mission on BIS. RDSO, or the Research Design and Standard Organization of Indian Railways, has become first institution to be declared SDO or Standard Developing Organization under One Nation, One Standard mission on BIS or Bureau of Indian Standard, which is institution under Department of Consumer Affairs. This unique initiative of two organizations under Government of India is going to set a template for all the rest of leading research and standard development organization in the country to follow and adopt world-class standard. To attain Nation One Standard vision of Government of India, Bureau of Indian Standard, the national standard body has launched a scheme which provides recognition of SDO. BIS aims at aggregating and integrating the existing capabilities and dedicated domain-specific expertise available with various organizations in the country engaged in standard development in the specific sector and enable convergence of all standard development activities in the country, resulting in one national standard for one subject. Vice Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi assumes charge as Chief of Personnel of Indian Navy. Vice Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi, who has commanded various operations and staff appointments, assumed charge as Chief of Personnel. The flag officer is a specialist in communication and electronic warfare and has served on frontline warship of Navy. The officer is a recipient of Ati Visesh Seva Medal, Nausena Medal for devotion to the duty. He has commanded INS Vinas, INS Kirch, and INS Trishul. Please note the hierarchy of Navy. The Chief of Naval Staff exercises operational and administrative control of Indian Navy from the integrated headquarters of Ministry of Defence Navy. He is assisted by Vice Chief of Naval Staff VCNS and three other principal staff officers, namely Deputy Chief of Naval Staff, the Chief of Personnel, and the Chief of Material. 1st June was World Milk Day. The day was established by the Food and Agriculture Organization or FAO of United Nations in 2001. This day is celebrated to educate people about the importance of milk in our diet. It was initiated in 1970 that the operational flood transformed India into one of the largest milk producing country. Today, with the annual production of 187.75 million tons, India accounts for about 22% of world milk production. Please note that India is the largest milk producer of the world. One Dhan Yojana to be expanded this year in the Union Territories Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. The One Dhan scheme is an initiative of Ministry of Tribal Affairs and TriFed. It was launched on 14th April 2018 and seek to improve tribal income through value addition of tribal products. The scheme will be implemented through Ministry of Tribal Affairs as nodal department at the central level and TriFed as nodal agency at the national level. At state level, the state nodal agency for MFP and the district collector are envisaged to play a pivot role in scheme implementation at grassroots level. Locally, the Kendras are proposed to be managed by the Managing Committee and SSG consisting of representatives of One Dhan SSGs in the clusters. CBSE CISCE scraps Class 12 exam after review by PM. CBSE and Council of Indian School Certificate Examination CISCE also decided to cancel its Class 12 or ISC board exam 2021 in view of COVID-19 situation across the country. The union government on Tuesday, that is on June 1st, cancelled the CBSE Class 12 board exam 2021. It was decided that CBSE will take steps to compile the results of Class 12 students according to well-defined objective criteria in a time-bound manner. Supreme Court stays Delhi High Court order declaring IGST on oxygen concentrator as unconstitutional. The Supreme Court stated the Delhi High Court verdict, which declared the levy of Integrated Goods and Service Tax (IGST) on oxygen concentrator imported for personal use or as a gift, as a violation of fundamental right to life. The court held that oxygen concentrators should be treated at par with life-saving drugs. IGST earlier was 77%, which was brought down to 28% and again to 12%. Please note, under the GST law, IGST is a tax levied on interstate supplies of goods or services and will be governed by the IGST Act. IGST will be applicable on any supply of goods or services in both cases of import into India and export from India. NCPCR tracks data on orphans. Bal Swaraj, an online tracking portal of National Child Right Body, shows details of nearly 10,000 children in the country in immediate need of care and protection. Bal Swaraj is an online tracking platform for children in need of care and protection who are affected by COVID 19. They include child aged between 0 to 17 orphaned and abandoned during COVID-19 pandemic since March 2020. According to NCPCR, 9,346 children have either lost a parent or have been abandoned during the pandemic. Telangana Formation Day, 2nd June. So today is Telangana Formation Day. The state of Telangana was officially formed on 2nd June 2014. In February 2014, Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act 2014 bill was passed by the Parliament of India for the formation of Telangana state, comprising 10 districts from northwestern Andhra Pradesh. The bill received the assent of President and published in the Gazette on 1st March 2014. This day is marked significant in the state's history for the sustained Telangana movement through the years. So this was all for today. Thank you.